Only two reasons why I started this business. I was not a dreamer, frankly speaking. I don't know I was a dreamer, right? I don't even know. But I had no limitation in my head. So number one reason, I used to get jitters by thinking that I need to work for 20 more years. I used to get jitters that I cannot go to work for 20 more years at all. Because I know that 10 years over already, 20 more years, nothing is going to happen. True or not? So I said, I don't want to do that. Second thing, the reason for which I was not stopping in the business was the second reason of my parents. I used to get pissed with their attitude, right? Because I was earning more money, still they were not able to spend in the job. I don't know how many people can relate with it, right? My dad used to have an argument with a plumber for $5. And I still remember multiple times the plumber or a carpenter insulted, and I used to get agitated. I threw him out, and then I'm thinking, how many people I'll throw out? This is happening only because of their thought process, right? I need to make them think like a millionaire, because even if they have a money, they will not be able to spend otherwise, right? Correct? And then I cannot make them think like a millionaire till the time I don't give them in abundance for 5 years at least. True or not? And these are the two reasons we started working. Even after having a first year very, very slow, I kept a target of 5 years to achieve these two things. 3.5 years, both the things happened. 3.5 years. Okay. In 3.5 years time, we were here. Okay. And the day one with parents, wife, mother, father, and a dog. Okay. When I ask people, where are your parents? People say, they're back home there, right? Why they are not there with you? So people say, no, they like that place. They are very comfortable there. Bull sugar, right? True or not? Correct? They are not here because you don't have a guts to tell them, look, I want you to be there, right? So people when come and ask, I don't have a dream, I don't have a burning desire. I said, your parents are burning there without you, right? Right? And you don't have a desire. True or not? Why can't you get them here? What exactly it takes to get them here? What exactly it takes? Only money. Only freaking money. And you know what? After some time when you make that kind of a money, this will be the smallest thing for you, because emotions will be the biggest thing for you actually, right? So 3.5 years later, everyone shifted here, right? And then we couldn't even think of leaving our own dog. He's a part of our family, right? Correct. And then people are not able to, and they say, I don't have a reason. What reason you want? Correct? You want to know about more reasons? This business, not only just Ferrari, life, house. I don't want to talk about this, right? Because that will not drive you on daily basis. Only emotions can drive you on daily basis, right? Correct? So, recently, I'll tell you I was talking to someone there, the house, Ferrari, money, it's okay. But the life of choices, freedom of choices. Other than people sitting there, nobody knows what is a life of choices, right? What is a freedom of choosing anything and everything. It's not about money, right? It's not about money. True? And it's not about luxury also. It's about emotions, right? So when any emergency my father-in-law is going through a tough time from last 1.5 months. He's in ICU, right? Okay. And in 1 month time, more than $25,000 to $30,000 spent. It was not even pinching us. But my brother-in-law and sister-in-law, okay, for them it was a big support. And if this business would have not been there, all three families would have gone, their finances would have gone on toss, right? True or not? Correct. Is it not a big enough reason? Is it not a big enough reason? Correct. Last week, my father's sister passed away. Suddenly got a call. Okay. Immediately, within 12 hours, he need to reach there, right? Now, they never traveled too much alone, right? And going to MP is not a direct flight. Correct. But it was absolutely simple. Call Emirates Airline, book a business class, a chauffeur will come pick them up, take them to the check-in counter. From there, somebody will take them in.